Chaos inside the House. The House is now adjourned until noon. Of course, Rahul Gandhi has now reached the Parliament premises. Hours after the Lok Sabha Secretariat gave him a clearance after they received the Supreme Court's order that stayed his conviction in a criminal defamation case. Rahul Gandhi now has been given a go-ahead. Meanwhile, the House has been adjourned. It should resume at 2 p.m. Those are the first images of Rahul Gandhi arriving at the Parliament premises. Of course, a huge celebration among the Congress cadres across the length and breadth of the country. You're seeing Congress offices in exuberant celebrations. Rahul Gandhi about 135 days later, and a long, prolonged legal fight after he's now back in the Parliament. Amit Bharadwaj brings us more. Amit, give us a sense of the celebration that we see inside the Parliament. And do we see this kind of happiness just on the faces of Congress members, or is it a common sentiment among the alliance partners, the India alliance?
Well, Nabila, a couple of minutes back when we were speaking about the celebrations at the AICC, I had said that these visuals will not remain limited to the AICC headquarters in the national capital, but will spill over to the Parliament as well, which is not far from the 24 Akbar Road. And inside the Parliament right now, as we speak, what we had seen is that Rahul Gandhi entering the Parliament complex, he being welcomed by the Congress MPs. After that, Rahul Gandhi went to the Gandhi statue with Congress MPs, and while he was walking, there was a grand welcome of sorts as much as possible inside the Parliament complex by the Congress MPs. And there are other visuals as well where you have many of the India Bloc Party MPs as well, whether it be the Congress's MPs, the Aam Aadmi Party, Trinamool Congress, all other India Bloc parties MPs standing together, most of them from Rajya Sabha standing together and sloganeering to welcome Rahul Gandhi. So these are visuals that we normally do not see inside the Parliament, where a leader from a specific party is being welcomed in this manner and sort by other opposition parties as well. But this is happening because, remember the way and manner in which Rahul Gandhi was immediately disqualified from the Lok Sabha as a member of Parliament right after he was convicted in the Surat defamation case, and after barely within 72 hours the eviction notice as well from for his house had come. So the opposition parties also want to make sure, rather the India Bloc parties want to make sure that this moment when Rahul Gandhi is returning to the Parliament complex, the narrative is set right, the optics are set right, and the message comes across as if a great injustice was handed over to Rahul Gandhi and the opposition parties. In the way and manner Rahul Gandhi was disqualified, he was evicted from his house, and now the Supreme Court has given him a sag of relief, and opposition parties, Congress Party, India Bloc parties are making sure that the message goes across to people that look, Rahul Gandhi is back in the Parliament and he is there going to join the proceedings. All attempts were made by the Bharatiya Janata Party to make sure that Rahul Gandhi stays away from the Parliament. But after the judgment from the Supreme Court, Rahul Gandhi is back in the Parliament. So this is the message that the India Bloc parties want to give, and in particular Congress Party, and that is why all these preparations were being done. We had seen earlier in the day as to how sweets were distributed inside Mallikarjun Kharge's office right after the Lok Sabha notifications, the Lok Sabha Secretariat notification reinstating Rahul Gandhi as Member of Parliament had come. You had elated Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary offering sweets to Mallikarjun Kharge. Many of the Congress MPs literally holding bags of sweets inside the Parliament complex. And now, the moment Rahul Gandhi had entered the Parliament complex, there was a celebration of sorts, not only from the Congress Party MPs, but also by other MPs from the India Bloc party. So clearly, opposition parties banding together to send across a message that, look, injustice was done, and that has been reversed, and Rahul Gandhi is here back in the Parliament. And very interesting developments would unfold tomorrow, Nabila. Remember, the no confidence motion that you were referring to is to happen tomorrow. And Rahul Gandhi is expected to speak during the no confidence motion. That is what we are learning from our sources. And if he speaks, we have to be prepared for a massive firework on the floor of the House in Lok Sabha as well.